Hello guys, welcome to today's market analysis, April 24, 2025. Let's see the new market opportunities for today from specific currency pairs, gold and the Bitcoin. Let's see the market opportunities one by one. So let's start from the major currency pair. So if you look at the news releases, mostly we have existing home sales, US home sales, and nothing else. Tomorrow we don't have any kind of important news on only the core retail sales is there on pound and Canadian. Pound and Canadian we have a retail sales economic news. So let's see the market opportunities one by one. USD. USD is really falling from after time. I think we'll reach this the 1,000 points for as possible. Because this month, last month, USD went up 5,000 points. This month, USD went up 8,000 points. Nearly, I think nearly it was around 8,000 points. Yes. And then it just made a 1,700 points correction. So we can expect more correction over here. USD, it's very possible. And pound USD, it is exactly at the resistance, but still we can say the pound USD have a chance to fall from this resistance. But should have to make a double confirmation. So pound USD. Australian USD, I'm not sure about Australian USD, but it's just simply consolidating between the resistance and support level. So in the smaller time frame, if you look at the smaller time frame, pound USD, sorry, I'll say USD is just consolidating between the resistance and support. In another way, it looks like just a triangle. So if it breaks the support, then we can expect the market to fall. Otherwise, the market will stay. New Zealand USD. But it's also doing the same thing. And USD from the support. However, even the rebound doesn't happen well. I think even if the rebound is there, looks like the market have a chance to fall again. Might have a chance to retest, or might have a chance even for breakout, but we can expect a consolidation over here. Silver is just simply consolidating, so we need to wait and see. USD Swiss franc trying to move up. So USD Swiss franc broke this level, so we can expect the USD Swiss franc to whether it can move up or down. If you ask me, USD Swiss franc still have chance to move up. I think at least to the retest area, for another 1,300 points is possible on USD Swiss franc. And moreover, if you look out any other time frames, still the USD Swiss franc looks like it was in a very clear downtrend. So it is in a very clear downtrend actually, USD Swiss franc. So and then USD yen trying to rebound, and USD Canadian it is just simply consolidating. But if you look at the smaller time frame, so it is like a support resistance kind of thing. If you look at this, after breakout, it just tried to retest, so we can consider like this. USD yen, I'm not sure about the USD yen. Because even if I look at the smaller time frame, USD yen looks like it's just trying to simply consolidate. It might hit this resistance, or else well, I think USD Japanese yen will move up once again. Australia Canadian trying to give some correction. Pound Australian dollar simply consolidating. It is a very strong support, so we cannot expect market to fall or rise so easily. We need to wait and then check about that. The consolidation zone, you should have to be very careful. You should either sell or buy, sell at the top or buy at the bottom. Never buy or sell in the middle, otherwise you'll get stuck. Pound Canadian is moving from the lower high area, so let's see the market opportunities of Pound Canadian. It is also consolidating, so wait for the Euro Canadian. Try to move down, but still Euro Canadian is also consolidating. I think if you look at the consolidation, Euro Canadian still have a lot of chances to consolidate. You cannot expect Euro Canadian to fall down immediately, but it takes time. It might also have chances to move up before falling down again. However, it gives some confirmation, but we need to wait and see how strong the confirmation is on Euro Canadian. So Euro Canadian and Euro Pound, it is trying to. It is just rebounding from the support, so I think Euro Pound also have chances to move up, or else it might have chance to move down if it is a kind of strong support or resistance. Euro New Zealand just made a fake breakout. I think Euro New Zealand might have chance to move up again. Euro New Zealand gives a good opportunity for moving up, but I'm not sure because after seeing Pound New Zealand, Pound New Zealand looked like it was broken. It has broken the high low, but it's still consolidating. So we need to wait for the confirmation. Whether to buy or sell, we need to wait and see. The Australian dollar is all the same, and Australia Canadian, USD yen. If you look at the USD yen, it is simply moving down, but the smaller time frame USD yen is, yeah, here you go. See, just falling from the low level. I think USD yen will fall back again. There's a lot of chances to fall again. And I think we should have to follow the trend. It will be good enough. Australian USD will move up again. Canadian Japanese yen, it also have a chance to fall back. Yeah, Canadian Japanese yen. And JPY falling down. So I think the USD is weak. It is weak anyway. USD yen is weaker anyway. So we cannot consider anything to happen so immediately or so fast. We should wait for the confirmation. So Silver has a lot of chances to move up. Let's see other opportunities like Euro Swiss franc. It's just rebounding. Low. Pound Swiss franc. It's also rebounding from the low. And the Swiss franc it hits the resistance. Yes, it hits the resistance now. So might do some consolidation. Australia, so Canadian Swiss franc is also rebounding, moving up and down. Yes, it's Swiss franc the same. Australia, New Zealand, the pound. Swiss franc, JPY, Canadian JPY down. Euro JPY is simply consolidating, nothing else. Australian USD, Euro AUD. So if I look at Euro AUD, it is just simply moving up and down. There's nothing else. Bitcoin is also consolidating. Keep buying Bitcoin. Don't sell even if it hits the resistance. Just wait for the confirmation. If you are holding any kind of Bitcoin at the bottom, just keep holding it now. Don't sell. Keep holding. So in crypto language, we could say hodl. Keep hodl. Australian silver